In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix a high CPU or memory usage. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search bar and here we look for the settings. Click on settings and after that we go on system and here we click on storage. So and after that we have here the temporary files which loading and here we can like delete all the temporary files, thumbnails, Windows Update cleanup, and other things like Windows error reports, and something else. So it is really important to remove the files, click on continue, and then the files will clean up. Okay, and then for the next step, we can go into the search bar again, and here we look for the task manager. And here we have our CPU and memory usage, and here we can click on CPU to sort this for the highest CPU usage or on memory, and it will sort again. And then we can right click like processes or tasks which are open at this point, and then we can end the task to save memory or CPU. So if you don't use like Google Chrome at this point, you can right click it and then you can end the task to save memory. Okay, and these are the things you can do to save memory or CPU. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot, and then see you next time.